Yellow crystal volcano. Wait, which one? Which one was that again? Was that wait? Wasn't that like with the chameleon or some shit? Let me check this real quick. Let's try this real quick. Yeah, it was like the one like the this guy. This guy's really fucking tanky, isn't he? Oh shit. Oh shit. He's pushing. He's pushing. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Holy shit, man. God damn, Keith is peaceful, bro. Oh shit. I know this guy has like fucking. What is it like? I know it's something similar to Zero Losers. Something dumb as fuck. Like 4 million, I think. So it's gonna be very fun. That wasn't so bad. I mean, he's one fucking tanky enemy. Jesus Christ. Anyways, what do I get from this? One goddamn yellow behemoth stone.